YOLO, how y'all doing, man? I hope y'all are good. Before we start, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a backstory, okay? These pictures, I took them in March 24th. Now is March 2nd. March 24th, March, what the flip? Alright, this is May something, what is it? May 2nd, okay? Now is May 2nd, so it's been almost a month and some other days. I'm not even gonna count, bro. I'm not even gonna try, okay? I still haven't given them these pictures because I already edited these. These have been done edited, bro. They've been done edited. Reason is because I am gonna give them these pictures on Eid. That's one thing. Secondly, I wanted to get a print and then give them like a present, you know, a hand copy of one of these pictures, which is why I want to give them on Eid, because Eid is a big thing. Let's go edit these. First things first, you got the picture, obviously import, right? And then added my preset from one of my presets from the top, portrait cloudy days, okay? And then we got crop, just literally just cropped it in a little bit, did a little bit of contrast, a little bit of shadows, and then whites, bring them down, blacks, we brought them down, added a gradient, updated just a little bit, changed it up a little bit, and then we added a feather and focused it more on the kid, you know what I'm saying? That's how we got the picture from this to this. Voila, just like, you know what I'm saying? On this picture, what I did was hold control and then select the tool. So make sure you're on this picture, the one you already edited, and the other one that you selected. Now you press Control Shift S, like that. Choose all the settings you need. I don't know, I think I chose this as well, and then just synchronize, okay? And then basically that brings that to that, and it basically just copies your whole edit from one to the other. It's way easier than to do it all over again, you know. After that, we just cropped it a little bit to the right, just moved it, centered out better, and that is our picture. Looks so nice. I love the fact that, you know, his shirt is like that, the winky. His face is doing the winky as well, kind of, I guess. This one, we imported it and then added the preset. Like you can tell, we need to do some editing. So, fixed the exposure and then added the same mask that I did to all the other pictures, and then just updated it, made it look like that, and then did the temperature, fixed it up, cropped it from there. That's how it was. This is what we did. A little bit more and a little bit more, and here. This is where we ended it off, and that's what we got. So this is a crucial step that you need to do before you take your pictures to Photoshop and stuff like that. What you do is hold Control and then just select all the pictures. Oh, okay. What you do is right click, go to enhance. Make sure you enhance these pictures, okay? Especially for printing, this is gonna help you out a ton, right? Once you do, it'll take a little bit and it'll be done, okay? And then once it is done, you can take it to Photoshop. So right click, edit in Photoshop. Alright, now that we got it in Photoshop, what I did was spot healing brush on the left side, literally press J on your keyboard, you'll see it. If not, you probably have one of these, red eye, either one of them. Just right click and make sure it's the spot healing tool. You can hold Control Alt and the right click of your mouse, make it bigger, up, down for hardness, okay, basics. So now just do this, select all the stuff you want to get rid of, and voila. It messed up my foot, the foot of the kid, so we can fix that hopefully this time. If not, just go over it one more time, you know. It'll try to do its best. There you go. That kind of looks original, I guess. That's fine. Alright, and then the car, I'm gonna get rid of that. Once that's done, I see a little distraction right here. Put that up. It's a little bit of retouching. And what's he holding on to? Oh, I can't remove that now. That's fine. Alright, so after all that, this is what the picture looks like. Well, all you need to do from here is just close it. It's gonna ask you if you want to save it. Yes, obviously. And then same thing here. And then yes. And that's about it. That's it. Close this up. Oh wait, no. Export. I didn't even show you guys export. Rookie mistake. Alright. Now just select all the pictures. Select them all. Right click, export, and then export again. And just choose where you want to put them. Over here, just name the name to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter that you have to. Is it better to? Okay. Make sure it's 100. sRGB, all of that. And export. If you want watermark, you can do it from right there, and it'll be done with it. Once it's exported, you gotta send it off. And the website that I use to send it off is WeTransfer. Works the best. You can either use that or you can use Google Drive. That works the same. It's just one or the other. It's personal preference, whichever one you want to use. Sometimes customers do prefer, you know, going with Google just because it's easier. They can just go on their phone, just get it. What I like to do is I just give them both so they can just choose whichever one they want. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. I hope my tutorial is actually helping you guys out, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help you guys out as much as I can. So if you did enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram. I'm very active on there, bruh. Yeah, that's about it. That's the end of the video. You know what? I'll just say. I won't give a shit. Okay. So I went to cruise like a couple months ago. It's been a good minute since we went. Okay, but I have 30 minutes of footage. Okay, 30 minutes of footage of just like a cruise video. So let me know if you guys how long of a video you want, whatever. And yeah, I'm out. Peace. Nah, that's it. I thought I was gonna say something, but nah, that's it.